Hey guys, it's Matt, and I'm back with another GBC Parts unboxing video. I've recently ordered more parts from Bricklink.com and Lego Shop at Home, and I wanted to show you what I ordered and what types of modules I plan on building with these parts. So let's get into it. So this first package is from Bricklink.com. Let's see what we got. Okay, parts. Let's see. Alright, slopes. I've got a lot of slopes here, which I need to finish off something that I'm working on. These are 1x4 light bluish gray slopes, and these are 2x4 dark bluish gray slopes. So I think I got 50 of these small ones and 20 of these larger ones. So these will come in handy. Slopes are always very useful for GBC modules, as you can imagine. In this next bag, we have some light bluish gray panels, and these are useful for, these are great for GBC modules, especially when you want to just build up some simple walls, or they also work well with stair-stepping mechanisms because you don't want them to bind, so these make a nice, larger, smooth surface. So your steps cannot catch on bricks. That's what I use them for. These are 2x1 Technic bricks with the double pinholes. Needed more of these. Now, these are something I was really looking forward to. Flex hose, and I got a bunch of these. So now I can finally build a marble run. I've been very interested in trying to do something like Aki's marble run, but I just didn't have flex hose. These things are expensive, hard to come by, but I found a reseller that had a good amount of them in new condition. I've got 20 of these, so that means I should be able to make a fairly interesting track out of them. They're very rigid though, so I'm not sure how to flex them. You might have to heat them up a bit, or we'll find out. But yeah, cool. In this bag we have some more Technic brick, 1x4 in dark bluish gray, and some 8-tooth gears. So you can always use these bricks. I'm always running out of Technic brick, especially in dark bluish gray, because I like to build in that color. As you can tell, I also have one, I think that's a 20-tooth gear in black. So cool. And this little last section of stuff here, let's see. Let's dump it out here. Got some modified 2x2 white tiles with the Technic pin pointing upwards. I need this to stick my BB-8 on in my BB-8 loader module so it doesn't fall off. I find that if you just use a jumper plate, the BB-8 can get knocked off. So what I'm talking about is BB-8 right now is sitting on a jumper, but it's very easy to knock them off. Now if I use a 2x2 Technic pin tile like this, you'll see that BB-8 won't be able to get knocked off. And in GBC, balls are going to be flying into the module. They might hit him, might hit the character, might knock him off. So it's a more secure position for the minifigure. Okay, I also got some 1x3 red slopes. I was going to use this in my YouTube module, my 100 subscriber YouTube module, but that's finished. I didn't actually need these, but these will be useful for something else in the future. I also got some 2x4 dark bluish gray tiles. Always need these. Always run out. Great to have more. And the last bag, 1x8 dark bluish gray tiles. Again, like the 2x4 tiles, I can never have too many of these. Great for GBC. Great for making your modules look studless. Great for finishing your modules to give them that clean look. And now I have a Lego Shop at Home box. It's kind of big, so it won't fit on camera. I'm just going to open it and dump out what I've got in here. This is new. This is some kind of, what? Collect them all. 4 colors of Lego 2x2 brick stickers. Okay, sure. Spend money. No problem. Leave that there. So in my order, I ordered 5 medium motors, M motors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what they look like when you buy them from Lego Shop at Home. The M motors is part 8883, and I'll show you what it looks like. If you get into GBC, you'll be ordering a lot of these things. This is it. This is a brand new M motor. It comes with little paperwork. Yeah, and I'm going to need some of these for some modules I'm building. As well as the 5 M motors, I picked up 5 of the 20-inch extension cables. These are part number 8871. I'll show you what these look like. My general rule is if I'm ordering a motor, I'm ordering an extension cable, just because it'll give you the extra reach to the module from your controller or your power source. And yeah, this can connect to the new motor. And there we go. This is ready to create a brand new module. Cool. So yeah, this is what I got my last order, and stay tuned to see what I build out of this stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.